It's May 8th, 2022, Mother's Day in the United States. Happy Mother's Day to mothers who see this, and in the spirit world to my mom, who's gone now. Budgies, take a look here. You'll see a very large, beautiful parakeet in the upper left of the drawing. You see? You like it? Oh, good. I'll take all that chirping and chortling and singing as yes, good, thank you. Spiegelmann'ing, my luftmensch life. A double portrait, self-portrait from, I think I have to check the date, 2004, along with a portrait of my murdered great uncle, murdered by the Nazis, Yad Vashem, of blessed memory. Liebel, his wife Hindel from Berlin, lived in Berlin, and their two children, one born in 1923, one around 1928 or 29. They all vanished into the abyss. The kingdom of night, as always all called it. There's Liebel in this drawing, and his mother, my great-grandmother Zlata from Bialystok, also murdered. That's in one of the drawings of the Shoah trilogy, which can be photographs of each of those works. Other Holocaust art show a trilogy on my website. All right, there you have it. There's a lot to see in this drawing, imagery-wise. So just look at the photograph of it. It was taken when the drawing was unframed. It was just framed a couple of days ago. I just framed it just the other day. And you can see all the different imagery going on in the work there. Anyway, there you have it. Nice singing, Budgie Wudgies. Very nice, very nice.